Hey everybody, in this video we talk about how to get the GoPro angle right. If you have a GoPro and you like to shoot really cool videos, I'm sure at some point in our adventures we've experienced where we do something really cool and we have our GoPro with us, and we go home and then we see that all we have is a video of the GoPro angle just looking down off the ground. In my case, when I do kayaking, I've gone through a really cool rapid and then all I have is just my spray deck. So if you've experienced that, watch this video. Hopefully it'll help you get that GoPro angle right. There are a few ways to do this. The easiest way to do it is it's a little bit of a hit and trial kind of method that I use. I'm gonna use my helmet, and so let's get the GoPro. If you have a GoPro mount on it, let's have it clipped up. Cool. And then this is how it's probably gonna look like, so you can get like a general idea and kind of fix it there. So I'm just gonna keep it here for now. Okay, once you have your GoPro set up on the helmet, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just press record, wear your helmet, and then in my case, because I do a bunch of kayaking, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit in my kayak. Okay, so I'm gonna sit in my kayak and then I'm just gonna kind of like move my head a little bit just to see where the GoPro is recording, and I'm gonna do a few dummy movements here. Cool. Once that's done, and then I can just pretty much play it back and just see where my GoPro is facing right now. Looks like it's pointing right on my spray deck right now, so then you can just make this little adjustment. So I'm gonna move my GoPro slightly higher up. That should probably do it. So I'm gonna give it another shot now. Put it back, hit record. This is how I do it. I can now refer to it again, and that should probably do it. Now this is where the second half of the process of getting the angle right begins. Now that I've gotten the angle right, I'm pretty happy with where it is right now. I'm gonna tighten the screw of this GoPro. We want to kind of put some sort of like a marking just on the mount. I'm gonna use some sort of like a knife or a little blade, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a line, scratch it out a little bit. So all I've done here is I've kind of scratched it up, and that just creates like a line on the actual mount as well as a line on the GoPro's case. So they're two independent scratch lines. So if I move, the lines are mismatched right now, but if I move my GoPro, get all the lines, all 3-4 lines matching, and then as they line up, I'm gonna tighten it, and now I know that that's where the angle is correct. Just with that little trick, you can pretty much get your GoPro angle right almost every time. Another way that you can do this is just connect it with your phone, the GoPro Quick app, and then you can still have it on your helmet, sit in your kayak, or if you're riding a bike or something, and then you can just kind of pair it and see the live view version of where it's pointing, and then you can just like adjust it right then and there. Either way, you can just do it at your home, get the position right, and then forget about it. And then every time you go out and do some cool stuff, you can record it and you can get the angle right pretty much every time with that. Yeah, that's all for this video. Get those GoPro angles right. I know it's really annoying when you do something super sick and all you get is the floor or the ground, and then you're just super sad. Obviously that was not the end, and I'm not gonna do all this YouTube stuff without asking for you all to like and drop a comment there. And then also if you you know someone who's been recording with their GoPros, I know I have a few friends who've been doing it and getting the angles wrong almost every time. This video is for you all, and then you can also just kind of share it amongst your friend circle, and that would be awesome. I'm gonna try and make some more of such videos, but this is all for now. Peace.